Hi there, and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the installation of our universal exhaust heat shield repair kit, suitable for all vehicles with sheet metal heat protectors with stud and nut design fasteners. This repair kit is designed to replace rusted nuts or to be used to fasten heat shields where the sheet may have deteriorated away around the original fixings. In this kit you will receive 5 zinc-plated steel star locking washers. These are also known as underbody clips. 5 heat shield washers. These washers are made from the original embossed stainless steel heat shield material, so they maintain their original properties. They can also be easily moulded to the new heat shield if necessary. The first step of installing this repair kit is to remove the damaged old fasteners, as well as cleaning away any debris and rust to prevent this from spreading to other areas. Do so with a wire brush. Position the heat shield and press on the heat shield washer, making sure that it is in the correct position. Press on the star locking washer by hand. Secure it by using a socket and a rubber mallet, or you can just press these on with screwdrivers or other blunt tools. The repair is complete once the items are securely fastened. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or the email address on the screen.